Good morning all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's we will start the 15th lecture on course, that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering, to produce professional competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission in these three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here course outcome: after the completion of unit number 5, you achieve 5th CO, that is implement program to create and travel tree to solve problems. Here syllabus for course, total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here syllabus for unit number 5. Now we continue the next points through previous lectures. Next points which are the under the 5.2 tree types and traversal method in under display binary tree, advantages of tree, applications of tree. After that, menu driven program of binary search tree. After that, next 5.3 expressions of tree. Display a binary tree. Binary tree means in that nodes, at most 2 nodes, means maximum 2 nodes are there. These are 0, 1 or 2. Okay. That is said as a binary tree. As we have seen 3 types, 3 different traversal, in order, pre-order, post-order of tree. One can display a tree by these above mentioned traversal, as well as tree can be displayed either in a BFS, that is breadth first search, or DFS, means depth first search manner. Let's see these two way of display, BFS and DFS. Display all nodes of each level, and it is also called as a level wise display of the nodes. Okay. In that breadth first search, that is BFS of binary tree, this method display all the nodes on each level. What is the said as? In this method display all the nodes on each level. It is also called as level wise display of the nodes. In figure shows that example of breadth first display. From the figure it is clear that the breadth first search of binary tree data on each level has to be displayed from left to right. So this is the example, means in that breadth first search, how to display the nodes. Okay, apart from these types of nodes, apart from these types of methods, in order, post order, pre-order, that is the one, another one, 2 methods are there. That is first breadth first search and depth first search. In that breadth first level wise nodes will be displayed, and left to right. 2 conditions are there: level wise display and left to right, means first in a level 0 plus, after that in a level 1 A, after that multiplication sign, after that B and C. This is answer. Okay. Second, depth first search, DFS or binary tree. The data can be also displayed according to depth of a tree. For displaying the tree in this manner, we have to start from the root node, from that moving along the edges, and we have to move towards the leaf node and display the data. The depth first traversal is same as the pre-order traversal. In that figure shows that example of depth first search binary tree. Means what in that depth first, its word is needed. Depth means go to in a depth of that tree, and that depth the elements will be displayed. Firstly display that root, after that move to the which are the leaf node. Leaf node means what? There is no any left and right nodes. Okay, so that move towards that leaf node, and one by one display the data. It is same as the pre-order, because in a pre-order how to display the data? Firstly root, after that left and right. Okay, so in that also firstly display the root, after that left and right means we go to the depth of that tree. last node of that tree. So that is said as the also said as the pre-order traversal. Okay. In that figure shows that this is figure in that depth firstly display the root displayed. Move towards the leaf node. It is the in that left part which is the leaf node A. So A will be displayed. Go to the next which after that A which are the leaf node B. So B display. After that C. So C display. Again their root multiplication display. This is the example of that depth first search tree. Okay. Next point, advantages of tree. Which are the advantages of tree? Searching in a binary tree becomes faster and simple. Binary tree provides 6 traversal. Two of 6 traversal gives sorted order of the elements. Third advantage is maximum and minimum elements can be directly picked up using binary tree. Okay, here what is the say? Because in a binary tree that sorted are data, in that said as the sorted the order, because in that minimum value of that root is one side and maximum value of that root is one side will be displayed. So in that said as the sorted or sorted to the order. Okay. After that it is used for graph traversal and to convert an expressions to postfix and prefix forms. Next, applications of tree. Okay. First, binary tree are used to represent non-linear data structure. Okay, because in that no any sequence are there, so it is said as the non-linear data structure. Binary tree plays a vital role in software application. One of the most important applications of binary tree is in a searching algorithm, because in a searching algorithm anywhere the element only for searching the element means anywhere that elements are there on that any data structure, then it is useful for searching algorithm. Most efficient and commonly used search known as the binary search use a special from the binary tree known as the BST, binary search tree. Third application, binary tree may be seen in a relational and hierarchical data into the memory. Means what? In that through relationally and into hierarchical through data will be stored. How to relationally means that less than numbers are one side, greater than numbers are one side. So it is one type of create on that relationship. This increases the efficiency of the algorithm which manage this data. Fourth, simply binary tree are used in a decision making, artificial intelligence, compilers, expression evolution, etc. In that to use that binary tree. Tree are used for organizing the things in most operating system. The file system is organized in a tree structure. So in a HTML, all HTML text attributes are sorted in a tree form. Okay. That said as the file system means what we store the data in a D drive directories. In under directories one folders are in under one subfolder files are there. So it is a structure is a tree like. So it is said as the file system. And in HTML also to use that tree structure form. In artificial intelligence games, text to move or sorted using the tree data structure. Trees are used in compressions algorithms, example human coding. Next applications, tree are using to solve the expressions. In a compiler, every expression is converted into syntax tree format. First, if it is converted into the syntax tree format, after that one by one expression will be solved, then automatically problem will be solved that. Trees are used to indexing large records of the database to improve the search. Tree is used in a network routing where the path of the picked in a determined. Okay, in a networking also the tree concept is used when we routing. Okay, when we searching the network, that time path of that packet is determined using through tree concept. So these are the applications of tree. Next point, menu driven program of BST, okay, binary search tree. Menu driven means what? In that create the node, pre-order, post-order and in-order traversal. Means methods are used. Firstly, these are the header files: std, conio, malloc. Malloc is used because we create the node at a runtime execution time. So malloc function is used because memory allocation is done at the execution time. After that, these are the structures are taken in that node are struct name. After that, these are the members of that structure. These are the pointer member structure on that node. After that, these are the functions: in order, post order, and pre-order. Pass the variables that pointer structure, and in that create the function as the create, and this is the pointer structure functions are there. After that, void main. These are the variable declaration. Clear screen output window will be clear. This is the printf function. One by one statement will be displayed for the user understanding purpose. Menu will be displayed that while is used because you repeat this procedure. In that printf your choice, create which you enter the choice, create, in order, pre-order, post order, or exit. That will be stored in a choice variable. Switch case, you know that switch case, one by one case are there. In that one by one case, one by one functions will be called. That in a case 1 is firstly check the root is equal to null. Okay, this is equal to null means the enter the nodes, means how many nodes are entered on that tree. That will be stored in a n variable that are one by one will be stored. That in that loop will be executed because array will be created. So that I less than is equal to 1 up to, for example, we given in a tree 5 nodes are there or 6 nodes are there. Then up to 6 nodes, one by one element will be, data will be stored in a item variable. Enter the data for the node. Okay, that will be stored in that item variable, and these are the item which entered by the user. One by one items or data or element are stored in that address, particular address, through using create function. Let's break that in a second question, in a case 2, case 3, case 4. One by one function will be called: in order, pre-order, post order, exit function. After that, default choice will be displayed, get ch. After that, one by one function definition, function declaration, function call. In that function definition, first function definition, create. Okay, in that check, create means one by one node will be created on that tree data structure. Okay, so check that root is equal to null. The two variables are passed. Actually, data, which first data will be entered by user, that data. Okay, and that address. In that root is equal to struct node malloc size of, means in that memory allocation done by the that new at which are the element or node will be created on that tree. After that, assign that their root left and root right is equal to null, and their actual which first data that initialize as a root of that. It is a this operator is known as the member selection. Okay, so root member selection, the data that will be stored that, and return that true. Return that root to the that function. Means create the root node. This root is equal to null means that already root are available. That time else part will be executed. In that, if that item will be checked, that item is less than root data, then left node will be created. Otherwise, check that item will be greater than that data, then right node will be created. Otherwise, in that any duplicate elements are there, then display the message duplicate element is not allowed, and return that root. In that root, return to that root address. After that, void in order. In that void in order function, what is the concept of that in order? In order, how to data will be travels: first left, after that root, after that right. Okay, so in order, in that check if root is not is equal to null. Okay, then in order root of that left recursion function means this function is called again and again. Okay, because check left on that tree, left which are the available or not. Okay, we'll find that time to display. Again the left will be display. Again next in order right. Okay, this function will be called. After that, next function definition, pre-order. What is the pre-order for syntax is that firstly root will be displayed, after that left and right. So that if root is not is equal to null, means display that root data, after that left and right elements will be displayed. In post order, what is the concept of post order? In a post order, first left, right and after that root data will be displayed. So if root is equal root not is equal to null, then post order that left will be displayed, after that right element will be displayed, after that there call means function will be called means check that again left node is available or not available, then display, otherwise display the data. Printf that data, particular data will be displayed using this printf function. These are the function definitions. This program also run using through Turbo C++ software, because this is your last practical in a DSO subject, that is a practical number 12, showing to Turbo C++ software. These are header files, structure variables, these are the function declaration. After that while main menu will be displayed, after that while main, case 1, case 2 in order, pre-order, post order, case 5 exit, default, after that one by one function definition. This is the create, after that in order, after that pre-order, after that post order. Okay, compile it firstly. After that run it. Okay, in that menu will be display. First choice create, in that enter the number of nodes, how many numbers or nodes will be entered, that are entered. Okay, first node. Okay, and given the element 10, after that given the element 20, after that give the element 5, after give the element 15, after that 25. Okay, enter the choice. Inner travels from inner in order. What is the in order concept is that left, root and right. Okay, these 5 elements will be entered, that will be firstly created that tree. Okay, in that left, root and right. Okay, in that first node 10 will be entered, so this is the root. Again 20, it is binary search, so binary search tree, so 20 is greater than 10, so display in a right. First we create the tree, after that please traverse the node. Okay, this is your homework. After that 5 is the less than 10, so it is the create on that left tree. The 20 is the right, because it is a 20 is greater than 10. Clear that? After that 15 is greater than 10, so go to the right side. In the right side 20 will be root, that 15 again less than 20, so it is a left side created. 25 is greater than 20, so created at the right side. This type 2 tree will be created. After in order, in order that is said firstly left, so in that tree what is the firstly left, 10 is the main root, that left is the 5, so 5 will be displayed. Again second step is the root. What is the root? 10, so 10 will be displayed. Again go to the right side, 20 will be available, because okay again that 20 is right, which are the elements are 15, so 15 will be displayed. After that no any left, okay, on that 15 node, so move to the root and root will be displayed, because in order what is the syntax or how to traverse the steps, traverse the node, left, root and right. So 20 will be displayed. Again right is the 25, so 25 will be displayed. This concept is used, okay, in every traversal method. In a pre-order also display. In a pre-order, what is the concept? Root, left, right. What is the root? 10, so 10 display. Again left, which are the element? 5, so 5 will be displayed. Again go to that next right side, okay, in that root is 20, so 20 is displayed. Left is the 15 and right is the 25, so that will be displayed. Again fourth, post order. In the post order, what is the concept? Left, right and root. First in that tree, what is the left node? 5, so 5 display. Again that right, go to that in a right side, in that again left is the 15, so 15 display. After that right 25, what is the root? That node 20, after that 10. This will be the one by one traverse from that nodes. Clear that? Firstly these 5 elements will be entered, that will be you firstly create the tree. After that to traverse, that means you easily find the answer or you understand. Okay, these are the 3 traversal method. After that you want to exit, then exit it. Otherwise you give the any your drawing choice. Okay, you exit. Again you okay, clear that? This is the practical number 12 also. Next point, expression tree. Okay, you know that expression. What is the expression? Expression is the combination of operand and operator. This is the basic. Okay? An expression is a number of operands or data. Okay? Operands means operand or data items combined using the several operators. Okay? In that operator, plus is the operator, these are the operand. An expression is series of operators and operands. Okay, that's shown in figure. Operators indicates the operations to be carried out on that operand. Examples, which are the operators? Plus, minus, division, multiplication, these are the etc. And operands are the values going to be operated. Okay, after that expression is a tree which represent an expression where labels are labeled with the operand of the expression and nodes other leaves and labeled with the operators of that expression. A binary expression tree is specified kind of the binary tree used to represent the expression. Expression tree is special kind of the binary tree which are the following properties. Okay. Each leaf node contains a single operand. Each non-leaf node contains a single binary operator. The left and right subtree of that operator node represent the sub-expressions that must be evaluated before applying the operators at the root of that subtree. The level of that nodes in the tree indicate their relative precedence of evaluation. We do not that need the parenthesis to indicate that precedence. Operations at operations at higher level of that tree are evaluated later than those below them. The operations at the root is always be last operation performed. Consider the expression tree in that figure. What expression this tree represent? What is the value of that expression? As for the properties of an expression tree, these properties will be used when we solve the evaluation of that tree. As per the properties of expression, always expressions are solved from the bottom to up. So first expression will be get 4 plus 2. Then this is expression will be multiplied by 3. Hence we will get the expression is in bracket 4 plus 2 into 3, which gives the result is 18. 4 plus 2 8. 4 plus 2 6. 6 3s are 18. In expression tree, there is no need to parenthesis to represent the precedence of a evolution. Okay. Final expression is that this line obtained from the means in parenthesis from above expressions tree is a infix form which can be converted into postfix expression or prefix expression. What is this said as the infix? Because in that firstly left means 4, after that root, after that right will be taken. So it is said as the infix form. Also in a expression you convert it into postfix expression and also prefix expression. Postfix means what? In that left, right and after that root. In a prefix expression, how to solve that? Firstly root, left and right. This condition is used that. One of the way to convert the infix to prefix or infix to postfix expression is using stack. Okay, that's also discussed in that stack chapter. Other way is directly from expressions tree. We will get the prefix and postfix expression just traversing the tree pre-order traversal and post-order traversal respectively. Means what? Prefix means what? Pre-order traversal. In that we sometimes saying that the pre-order traversal and prefix, they both meaning are same. And post-order means that postfix. When we apply pre-order traversal is given expression tree will be get. Okay, in that pre-order, what is the root, left and right? What is the root? So root is the multiplication. Root, after that left, after that right. Okay, that is the left 4, after that right 2, after that again 3 right. It is the pre-order. Post-order condition, what is the post-order? Left, right, after that root. What is the left? 4, right, 2, root, after that 3, after that multiplication. In order, you said 4, sorry, left, root, right. 4 plus 2, after that multiplication 3. These are the expression. Example. Let's consider the expressions in that figure. Evaluate the expression and use the infix, prefix and postfix expression. Okay. Start the evaluation from the bottom level. Okay. In that expression, evaluation means how to solve that expression that using that tree element. Through infix, through prefix and postfix. Infix means in order, prefix means pre-order, postfix means post-order. That rules are followed. Clear that? Then firstly start the evaluation from bottom level. Okay, following this, and in that these properties will be considered. In that set as the each leaf node contains the single operand, means this each leaf node means there is no left, right. Which are the leaf node? 4, 2, 3. So these are the contains as a single operand. Okay. Each non-leaf node contains as a single binary operator. Okay, these are the non-leaf because there is a left and right nodes are there. So these are the non-leaf. So these are considered as the operator. In 3, what is the in 3 statement is said as the left and right subtree of that operator node represent the sub-expression. Okay, these are the left and right subtree. These are the said as the sub-expression that must be evaluated before applying the operator. Means these operators will be applied. After that, these are expression will be solved. That what is in that 4 properties say that the level of that nodes, okay, this 0 level, 1 level, in that tree indicate that the relative precedence of the evaluation, means first will be solved, which are the solved, that is depends upon that level. In 5th properties, what is the said? Operations at higher level of that tree evaluated the latter than those below them. Means what? You go to from bottom to top. Okay. In 6th property, what is the said that the operations at the root is always last operations performed. This is the first. Sorry, this is the root will be performed on that last. Said that in this 6th property. These are the properties used when we solve that expression. Okay. So start from bottom to so bottom level. Firstly the expression is B multiplication E gets evaluated. Second is the B multiplication C on a left side of that tree. After that B multiplication E plus F on right side of that tree. Third is the A plus and this expression on left side of that tree. After that one by one all added that this into G on the right side. Finally this plus this will be get evaluated. About tree represent this line. Okay. Pre-order traversal on the given expression. Pre-order means what? Firstly root, so plus, again in that root plus, okay, again left means A, after that in go to the right means in your left B, after multiplication C. This like to solve that in that plus plus, after that A, after multiplication B, means in front you state the in front of you, that is the tree, and you travels yourself, means how to solve. You only for steps is follows. For pre-order root left right, in order left root right, after that in a post order left right and root. Okay, these steps only for you follow that, you easily evaluate that expression. In a second example, consider the following expression, in that it is the pre-order, post-order and in-order. The same is the in-order, only for brackets are remove that. Let's consider the following expression tree, and we wrote the expression in given infix, postfix and prefix. Okay. About the tree represent this like 2 into 3 in one bracket. After this is the one bracket. After that this is the one bracket is considered in a multiplication. This is the one right side bracket. It is the in a divide. This is the one another bracket, and all whole are through connected with that root, that is the plus. The expression to solve that pre-order post. This is the in fix, okay, but in order only for the brackets will be removed there. This same. After that pre-order solve first root, so plus root. After that left, so go to the left. After that again left multiplication, so multiplication again left 2, so display again right, so 3 will be display, again root, sorry right minus display, after 2 1. After go to the again for the root, sorry right, so multiplication will be display. After that 5, after that minus 4 and 1. These are the pre-order, same as the post order. In a post order left right 2 3 multiplication, after 2 1 minus, after that this is the root, again 5. After that in go to the right side, in that left is the 4, so 4 1 minus multiplication and plus. This will be the post order. Clear that? And it is in order, it is the same as the expression is in order, only for parenthesis will be remove that. Clear that? This is the point is important, because this is the question is asked in your exam. Evaluate the expression. Summary on that today's lecture. In a 5.2 under, display the binary tree, advantages of tree, applications of tree, menu driven program of BST with also showing through Turbo C++ software. After that expressions of tree. Here continue the assignment number 5. Okay, these are the questions are there. Now continue the assignment number 5. In that 2 questions are there to solve that expression. Firstly, in that draw an expression tree from the following expression. Firstly, draw that tree. After that, solve that. Then draw the tree structure of the following expression. Draw the tree. Here stop on today's lecture. In this point, any doubts or arise, then contact with me. Thank you.